Day 22. Welcome back to day 22 of your English vocab upgrade. Today's words will help you talk about bringing things back to life, making logical guesses, and asking for information professionally. Let's look at today's B2 upgrades. 1. Restore. The upgrade. Instead of the simple word fix or bring back, let's upgrade to restore. Definition. To return something or someone to an earlier good condition or position. Example. The company is working hard to restore public confidence after the recent scandal. Checkpoint. If you could restore any historical building in your city, which one would you choose? 2. Assume. The upgrade. Instead of the simple word think or guess, let's upgrade to assume. Definition. To accept something to be true without question or proof. Example. We shouldn't assume that everyone has access to the same technology at home. Checkpoint. Do you often assume you know how a movie will end, or do you prefer to be surprised? 3. Enquire. The upgrade. Instead of the simple word ask, let's upgrade to inquire. Definition. To ask for information. Example. I am writing to inquire about the vacancy advertised on your website. Checkpoint. When you are lost in a new city, are you more likely to inquire at a local shop or use a map? Day 22. Contextual summary. I had to inquire about the missing documents. We cannot simply assume they will be found and restore our lost data automatically. Pick one word. Restore, assume, or inquire, and write your sentence. Thank you for your focus today. Don't forget to practice. Stay consistent. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.